Hello, my gangalang and the dash rangadang the bombodilo clocodilo. Today we're going to be teaching a new person Animal Company. Now this is actually Ziggy.
Hi. Leave me alone.
So the first thing we're
I
going
want
to
to change
do
my
is
color.
press prog.
Prog.
And then there's going to be like brackets around promo.exe.
Promo exit. Exe. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
How to change my
FANUM.
color? FAN. Oh, wrong one.
Oh my.
NUN.
M.
M. So
Oh yeah, this is our fan code, HMCC, join it. Signal.
FANUM.
TAX.
TAX.
Someone's on my door. COINS.
COY.
No, I.
Oh.
NS.
S.
S.
I did it.
Ret.
Yay! It is not found. Did I do something wrong?
Okay.
Oh, I thought you said M.
I'm gonna kiss.
What did he say?
Yeah! I get money. I've changed my color in Gorilla Tag, by the way.
So press. What is it?
I don't know. It's like a light bluish, like party monkey.
Okay. So press
T-bone.
color.
Wait, what? Press. I'm on
I
color.
got the pose 28. Yeah, press color, and then it has the jiggly things.
Oh wait, I found it. I already found it. Damn.
And then you jiggle it, and then you press spawn. Make sure it jiggles.
Wait, jiggle what?
Jiggle the toggles. Like jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Oh yeah, it works. So do I just press spawn?
Yeah, spawn.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you have 500 coins from the code you redeemed, so you can buy like.
Mwah.
You can buy some
Wait, what's my
cool
name?
blue
Wait.
shades. You can buy.
Oh,
medical-
my name's my Oculus name. It's not Ziggy.
Yeah. So
Mine's an
press face
Elwazza.
accessory. Oh, you can get some drippy golden glasses.
Face accessory.
And then that's where everything
Where's face accessory? Cat. No, I can't do anything with cat. Wait, where's face accessory? Face accessory.
And then you can get some blue glasses and medical mask. All that swazzy dazzy rizzy grazzy.
I want the clown nose.
Yeah, I got the clown nose. Respectable.
Okay, I'm gonna want my clown nose. So I put the clown nose? Okay.
You want this big boy looking?
Actually, I want to be scary. I want to be that one. Yeah. I'm gonna look scary real quick.
Hey, you want this big
Yeah.
pink fan?
Okay.
I grabbed it at the same time as you. Press Y or B
Why? Why?
because it activates it. Now point it at the ground.
Bye bye, loser. Oh wait, there's Dragon Ball Z? I want that.
Yeah, we have to spend real life money.
Ah,
I have a
take-
LeBron
Oh.
James one. Come here. Come
I
here.
don't want to die.
I won't kill you. It's
No.
no PvP lobby. It's a no. Calm down. Unactivate your fan.
Need money. Need money.
Oh, by the way, I'm a red watch now, so you can kill me in safe zone. Okay.
I'll give you my stick. What happened to my stick? Haha.
Oh, frick.
I got stick.
Those can break, by the way. Chit! Do you want your fan? I'm gonna fly away.
No, wait a minute.
Fly
Wait a
away!
minute.
Sweet. Fly away!
I want a shotgun. I want.
By the way, I'm on
the
1 HP. Hit me with that
Sunfighter.
stick like one more time and I'm dead.
I dropped it. Where's it gone?
It's on your back!
Oh, is it? No! Yeah! Take that, doofus. It cheeks. Excuse me? Max! Oopsies.
Throw that fan in here.
Okay. Why? I can't
Because
throw
then you can
it.
store it. Okay, fine.
Why?
Type in this code.
Wait, what?
Oh.
I don't want to. I couldn't put it in. Put it in!
Careful!
How do I do it?
Now drop it. Press the bottom face button. Good!
Yeah!
Okay. Here, I'm gonna get you a shotgun. I'm not
Buttons.
I'm not actually gonna buy one. I'm just
I
gonna
have a box fan, flashlight, and a backpack.
Yeah, put the backpack on your back. So just bring the backpack and drag it to this eject item. Where it says big eject item.
Oopsies.
Yeah, now press
Now
the
I
trigger
know how
again.
to like open it. Ooh, my stick. I put my stick
Here's
in
your
here.
shotgun. I need to load it.
Can I have a revolver as well?
No, because that's expensive as hell. Here, take it.
But the shotgun's the most expensive.
It went
one,
outside the
isn't
map. Oh wait, you got it. Okay. Give me that bag. Give me that bag. No, don't put it in the bag. I need to put you some ammo. I need to give you some ammo so you can keep using it.
Oh, yes, thank you. There you go. Get. Okay. This is not
Here, take it.
That's great. Wait, how do I put it on my back?
Press the trigger again. Just
Trigger? Oh, I did it!
Oh wait, no.
Minecraft! Why is there a light source?
Yeah.
Oh, give me
Okay,
Ow! You hit me!
I'm also gonna go.
Oh, there's a pickaxe!
Oh. No. Poo poo. Okay, follow me.
Can I bring it?
No, you shouldn't. In fact, I'm gonna grind it.
I wasted the ammo!
Oh my god! Okay,
I
here.
didn't know how to drop it!
Don't take out your bag. I'll reload it. Wait.
No, I know.
didn't even-
I'm
that's such a
putting. I want the pickaxe.
I already devoured it, I think. Yeah, I did. Pick it
I
up.
wanted to devour it. I have it.
No!
You know you deserve that after what you did to me.
Okay, reload it again for the 10th time.
Wait, okay. I know how to delete this. Reload it. Oh, okay. Grab it. Oopsies. Wait. Oh,
You
put it
have to
in.
press the top face button. Oh, good boy.
Aha!
Did you just say my real name? Okay, I actually don't really care.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Good boy. Oh, he's angry.
Just got killed.
By me.
He
He just shot me. No way, bro. He's stuck. I'm gonna come now. Goo, gag.
Dope.
Yes, I'm talking. Where are you?
Dope.
Oh my god, bro. I know you hear me. You're gonna go up to that red light green light and you're gonna blow him in his face with that shotgun. He's gonna be begging to die. You're gonna do it so aggressively. Okay, give me the shotgun. Give me the
Wait, do
shotgun.
I just shoot him? Is it loaded?
Yeah, it's loaded. Wait, no, you might have used the ammo on me when. Mama, I'm chasing a ghost. Do I look like him? Mama, I'm chasing a ghost. Do I look like him?
I'm getting killed and I dropped my bag.
Where's your grappler? You. Ba 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 ba. Freaky Baba, your mum's hit. Oh my god. You died to a friggin' chicken. You died to a chicken.
I did not do any chicken, okay?
That's embarrassing.
Can you help me?
Where is your shotgun?
I'm scared. I'm gonna blow this bit.
Get your back.
Got him.
Here's your bag of ammo. Where's your grappler? You don't have a grappler, you're cooked. Gold bar. This has value. You stay here, I need to go get you a grappler because you are special. I'm gonna go sell this. Wait,
So, this is Joey.
just wait. No one can kill you because your family loves you.
But there's the stupid old chicken.
The chicken is weak. Just the chicken is weak. Just blow it in its face if it tries to attack you. Oh, Mama, I'm chasing a ghost. Oh.
There's a big thing approaching me.
Oh yeah, that's Queso. It's yeah, don't get in his way. He will pick you up and slam you on the ground. If he comes at you, he takes more than one shotgun shot to kill him. Are you still alive? Talk to me.
Yeah, I'm still.
Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you.
I'm down here.
Take this.
You're dead.
Take this. Take this.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
No, just point it at the roof. Neither of them can kill you if you're on the roof. Just follow me.
But what about Queso?
Queso can't grab you on the roof, I'm pretty sure. Mama, I'm chasing a ghost. Where are you? Did you die? Oh, disconnect. What the hell? Did I just get banned or something? No. What? Oh no, I'm cooked. What is this? What is this? I don't like this. Oh, don't want to leak my IP address. Okay, nearly like my. He's just gonna be so scared down there. Oh my god. I forgot to add him. Damn it. Doink. Oh.
Yo, chat, thank y'all so much.
No. These are updates.
Hello. Hi.
What happened?
I
lost all my stuff. Yeah, I fell over because I was scared and it was chasing me.
Is it still down there? I'll go get it.
Well, yeah, can I go into the VR world?
Yeah, but you won't have much currency to spend.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Please report if you are okay. Please report. Please report.
Where did you die? I found it.
I died all over the place. Don't worry. I'm new to the game.
Oh no! Yeah, walk away. No, I'm sorry. Who hurt you? You're actually no one's favorite person in the world. Bro, back up! You don't know what block you're on. Back
You
up!
okay?
Yeah, I'm stressing out. What is that aim, buddy? You should apply to be a stomper.
Stay free.
Ah!
You gave me freedom. All down, and you pulled the rug. I was getting tired to me.
All the viewers heard that.
I was trying to sing into this microphone. It wasn't working. I used a walkie-talkie instead.
Take your bag. This is your bag. Has it got your shotgun in it?
Yippee!
It doesn't.
It's got my ammo, but not my shotgun.
Oh my god, you're actually special. I'm kidding, Ziggy Yellow.
What did he say?
I didn't know my cheese was explosive.
Yeah.
I threw cheese on it. I need another grappling hook. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm so
empty
sorry.
your bag. It's got all the stuff you need.
Okay.
No, the ammo, no, the ammo.
Oh, don't worry. I put it back in.
I'm gonna confiscate this from you.
No, ow! It hurt me.
Too bad, so sad.
Yes.
You know what, I'm gonna have to bring out the big guns. I'm gonna go
Excuse me, can I have a revolver?
No, that's expensive as hell. Okay, take these. But no, don't put them on
Okay,
your back.
let me.
Put your
How I
bag on your
close
back.
it?
Put the bag on your back, hot sir.
What did he say?
Stick him up, partner.
Okay,
I want a revolver. I want a revolver and a dream, okay? I need a light source as well. Okay?
No, you don't.
If you blow us all up,
I
will
won't. You
stay
just have to
behind
stay
while
away
you
from me,
blow-
because I'm gonna blow someone up.
Um,
It's not
Okay,
guaranteed who that's
well-
gonna be. It could be me, it could be the ogre, it could be Red Light Green Light, it could be you. It could be all of us.
I think I'm better staying at home, okay?
No, you're homeless, remember?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh. Killed him.
I'm free.
Jump down, I killed the ogre. Yo, this
Okay,
is...
did you kill the ogre?
Yeah, I farted on him. Toxic waste! Why did I scream? Okay, let's go. What the goofy goop?
I'm
Okay.
scared.
Just stick on the roof, it will go light. It will go light again when we're deeper in. Here we go. It's light here.
I can only see. Oh, sweet.
Sweet
Sweet,
Alabama. Do-do-do-do. Sweet home Alabama.
Where are you, Matt?
I'm here.
Didn't know you were there. Shut up. Can't see you.
Bro, come. It's gonna go dark again, by the way.
No, I don't like this.
If I can... Oh, big boy fishy. The fish is actually so fat.
And there's a big boy ogre.
Yeah, the ogre's overweight. Where are you?
Should I throw it?
Oh my god! Let me...
Which one should I shoot?
Let me up! Let me up!
Can I shoot the ogre? He's ugly.
Oh no, don't shoot anyone, just follow me. Especially not me, don't shoot me, otherwise you're gonna be cooked.
Okay,
Here,
scared, man.
it's safe in here. Just cross the corner.
Oh,
Okay, around the corner. There's a
Where
red
are
light, green
you?
light. Just punch him. Don't punch him. Shoot him. Shoot him! Just shoot him!
sit down, playboy!
My loot.
Nah.
Big
Guess
boy.
this.
Oh yeah, there's the creepy lady in here. But
Can I go reload my ammo up here real quick?
Yeah.
So I don't die. I need to drop my.
One ammo is
grappling
2 shots, by the way. So yeah.
hook. I know. Oops, I dropped it.
Just do it here. There's nothing can kill you here unless you bait angler. We didn't have any light. There you go.
Mercy. Oopsie, I dropped
Did you
it.
forget how to reload? Okay, put it on your. Where's your grapple? Oh, bro, get your
Up
grapple.
there. I left it there.
Why do you say that in a German accent?
I left it there.
Oh my. This is bomb, by the way.
What you? What? Gary!
Wait, here. It goes up here. It goes up here. Where are you?
Where are you?
Bobby! Miku! Oh no. Uh-oh, Stinky. That's the big boy. Okay, come here. Here, come here.
Oh.
How much money do you have? No!
I'm sorry.
I got a first try, joke's on you.
We made nothing.
Money talks! Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I
We
need you
need
now.
400.
Yeah, look how much I've got.
Well, that's quite a lot. Give it to me. Give it to me now.
I can't do that.
Give it to me.
I'm in safe zone.
Yeah. I accidentally shot a bullet.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
We made it! Cricket.